studying in 9th standard B section in GHS Madivada.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruchitayam. I am studying in 9th standard in GHS Madivada.
We prepared a model of smoke detectors device. It helps in detecting in smoke in vehicles. We used Arduino Uno board, male and female wires, motor drivers, 4 wheels, 4 motors, smoke sensor, GSM SIM, GPS tracker.
This helps in every vehicles like cars, train and every vehicles etc. This GSM SIM helps in calling ambulance. This works like this: when the fire causes the smoke, it will sense and call. GSM SIMs helps to call ambulance and fire engine. They come and pick them immediately. GPS tracker helps to track the bus where it is. We used many wires to keep this. This is all to make this model. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our school channel.